Back to school, yep. It's underway, and so it's time for us to get our acts together, especially when it comes to organization. And Amy Scalia, the Good Day Columbus Queen of Chic, is with us from cbuschic.com, and we have some Pinterest projects you've put to the test.
Pinterest is amazing.
Yeah.
I found so much stuff. This is just scratching the surface of all the great things that I found for back to school and things that moms can do to make things easy. So I've got a ton of different projects. The first of which I thought was really exciting to, get the kids pumped up to going back to school. It's tough to get them like, okay, you're no longer going to have your summer and all of that. Well, this is kind of like an advent calendar, but back to school themed.
Okay.
So everybody has the egg containers at home.
Right.
Well, basically you take that and inside you just remove this top portion here and then create some little windows. You just take a foam piece like this.
Foam stuff?
Yeah, you
Foam
can
board?
start to make like a little
Bus shape?
bus shape out of that, and then you can kind of just measure it up to see where exactly it's going to be for the openings, where the little eggs go. And then you make the windows, and it's 1, 2, and it helps them count too. Learn how to count if they're at that age.
So do they take these off the closer they get, like an advent calendar, or it's just kind of fun?
Yeah,
What's
you can
on
just
the
open
inside?
them. Well, with this one, let's see here.
Oh, there's
There's something
presents.
fun.
There's something inside.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
It's child finger size.
Yeah, it really is. Okay, here we go.
We got
it is Post-it.
Oh,
Oh, nice. It's a little flower
but they're
colored
cute.
Post-it.
They're cute.
So you could put like little pieces of candy, little.
Right.
you know.
That's
a
what
great
Pete would
idea.
put in his.
Well,
candy.
yeah, absolutely.
Very
I would.
fun.
Chocolate. All right, there's my
So
bus shape. I
that
think I
is
did
really
that over there.
easy. Make some windows and some wheels, and
Right.
you're
It's like
good
a
to go.
school advent calendar. That's neat.
This is making
So
me
for the
very
5 days of the
curious,
week.
though.
Exactly.
What is this?
Well, this is for those infamous first day of school pictures. This is a way to have a little bit of fun with them.
Okay.
So these are talk bubbles, or in
I
this
see the
case,
raw
a
one here.
think bubble.
The little
What am I
think bubble.
thinking?
Ah.
Did you just buy
anyhow.
those at a craft shop?
Yes, you can get these at
okay. I've
Michael's.
never seen those.
They're already cut, and what's fun about them, they actually already come with a little thing to be able to hang it on. And so you can put this on your wall, be able to use it.
Yeah, what's yours say?
He's surrounded by women. He needs some help. So you can put first grade or I'm excited or whatever. And this Michael.
No, I think this goes to Amy.
Yeah, I think you're.
Exactly.
She's
Yeah.
got to live with
There's
you.
no mystery there. Okay.
But
No, wait. So this is like kind of like blackboard. See, kids, there were these things called blackboards back in the day. But this is chalkboard paint.
Chalkboard paint. It's super easy. You just spray it right on. There's no painting involved. You just spray it onto these already cut wood from Michael's. I got this at Michael's too. And then you use some tacky glue to put these dowel rods on the back.
Hold it on there, and then hold it up for your pictures. That'll be
Love
fun.
it.
And
Love
you can
it.
switch it up each year.
Perfect.
Okay. All right. So with the organization, moving on with
This is
that.
a great way for kids to get organized and to learn their days of the week.
Right.
So what I did is you can take these little door hanger things.
Yeah.
And then
I think that is the technical term.
absolutely. And then they also
cute
at
little
Michael's.
letters.
I love Michael's. It's definitely
fun.
my candy store.
We go bucket of
And,
letters.
Yeah, a little bucket of letters, and they already have the sticky on the back. You
Oh,
just
they
peel
do.
that off,
Cute.
and you can put whatever you want. And then they get to pick out their outfits, and that makes your morning
the day of the
routine
week.
That's
a little
brilliant.
quicker.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Let's see the
really
next
good.
one.
And
You
it is
have
so
so many good
cute.
Thank you.
ideas.
All
Okay,
right.
anybody have some Bieber fever here?
Well, you know we do.
When don't we?
Well, I made a little craft project to not only make it more Bieber-esque, but it also makes your notebooks a little bit more durable. So
Wait a
this
minute.
is actually,
So the notebook didn't come this way.
no, it came just like this, nice and plain, but I put on it's called washi tape, or this is actually duct tape brand.
Oh my gosh.
And you
They
can
make
just,
Bieber duct tape.
they make Bieber duct tape. We're gonna have to have
Is this
this.
a
at-
Michael's
good grief.
too?
Yeah. What's
find
up?
this
Yep.
on Michael's as
Yep.
well? Okay.
Michael's as well. So you just start to put it in any kind of,
You got the plain black.
yeah, and you can just start to put it in any kind of
Cover it
fashion that
out.
you want.
And then the
you
washi
cut
tape
around.
also, you said.
Yep, however you want it.
Fun.
And then
Okay.
you just kind of cut around
neat.
and,
Personalize it for your own.
And you have your own
Exactly.
custom
That's
one. All right,
good.
and then finally,
okay, somebody pick that up.
all
Pick
right.
it up.
Gotta pick this up here.
Oh,
Whoa!
you so
All right.
strong.
Yeah, you are
Right.
now carrying everything you need to finish any homework
Fantastic.
project.
Down here.
It's a homework project, crate on the go.
That's great.
So you have everything that you need. So if you're driving to soccer practices, or if you don't really have an office for the kids, if it's sort of the kitchen table is the place where all the homework gets done, this is a great place for it.
That's
and then
brilliant.
you can take it out of the way when they're done with their homework
That's
projects.
brilliant.
Perfect.
Oh, so good.
Done.
And what a great way to get a leap on the school year and stay organized. Great ideas. And you can find these on our Pinterest page, as a matter of fact, too. You check out Good Day Columbus's Pinterest page. Find us on Pinterest at WTTE Fox 28, and we put a link to Amy's website there as well. So go to myfox28columbus.com, click on news links. You did it again. Thanks so much, Amy.
We need some Pete and Sean duct tape. We need to look into that.
Absolutely.
I'll talk to Michaels.